not going to catch the train to the markets in the park. We're in Astoria, and very reminiscent of the Soviet underground trains. Here's Astoria. Oh, this is pretty cool. Oh, there you are. Where'd you go?
So when we come back.
Yeah. Here's Trams. Of course, Hestia means halt every size tit in Australia, but I don't know what Triumph stands for. Or was there a Teta? No, we'll just... Oh, I don't know.
No,
Actually, the train will say Chigali Palette, and it'll say...
No, I'm saying when we come back.
Little vlog, you can get your dose of double serum. Just get a needle and inject that into your veins, mate. Ooh, telecom. Egazeg. Don't know what that means. And there's a museum. And we're headed. This train's going to Ors Visitera. We'll vlog the train's coming. I'll say he, she comes because it's not a male train. R. Oh, there we are. Here it comes. Okay, so we came out of the exit and now we're at the other railway station. And yeah, this looks pretty interesting. Cakes. It's big. Well, let's go here and we'll look. That bread smells nice. Reguli Sutaminyak Kavek. Oh, feel like some of that. Sukrazat. Coffee breakfast cakes. Oh yeah. Let's see what we're going to. Yeah, but Pali Advar, that was on the station. Oh, 1900 and... Oh, 1004 and 1904. What's that about? There's an Orient Cafe there, Starbucks, Burger King. Unless it's like an open air mall.
Yeah, no, we go this way.
Okay. Oh, this would be the station, wouldn't it? Wow, isn't it impressive? 1094. Were there trains in 1094? Guess so.
Where are you reading that? 1984.
That down there.
That, isn't it? Oh, 1884.
Oh. So these girls are naked.
Yeah, there's the sign.
Arena Mall, Cinema City, IMAX, Sports Direct. Oh, it's got a Primark. Have to check out the Primark. Yeah, so that railway station was from... Well, we don't know about the zeros, do we? Because there might be 8s that are sort of faded. But very impressive looking train station. So fancy. Lego City Police Rendosegi Labo. Rendosegi Labo. Yeah, that's the stadion. That's the guy's name. Peshkus or something. But yeah, there's t-shirts with his face. Oh, this is nice, isn't it? So this is the Arena Mall. So I don't know what's down there. There's something else.
Take a photo.
There we are. And there's all the peoples going to the shops. Anyway. So we're going to Maggie The mall in Magyar. And the stadiums over there above. That's over there. Big football stadium. Okay, we've got a Rossmann and La La Land. We've got a Me. Oh, they're still opening stuff. Peek and Kloppenberg. Ooh, look at this King selection. Anyway, it's a typical shopping centre. I'll work video in case I'm not allowed to. Treadmill bike cardio. Peek and Kloppenberg. We got Bershka, we got Intimissimi. That's the very Italian lingerie. Michael Kors, Puffwith, Bershka, Calzedonia, all the usual players. Tesinus. Okay, log out. New Yorker Mac. And we've got Pizza Hut. And we've got the Wok. And we've got McDonald's, Burger King, KFC, Bottle Coco Etala or something or other, whatever that means. Douglas. Well, there's 2 levels even. Actually, is that 3 levels maybe? It was very tall. Pull&Bear, Sloggy, Massimo Dutti, Zara. Okay. So, look, we're having morning tea. Look at the size of these cups. Oh, and I'm having a cheesecake with apricots on top. A coffee cup in the mall. I'm going to explore upstairs soon. Don't want shoes. So we're upstairs now, and it's very Shumir. They got Skechers, they got Guess, they've got all the usuals. Well, they've got office shoes, special shoes just for the office. That's pretty interesting. Yeah, and it's quite long, it's quite big. Oh, it's very long, isn't it? Oh, Buddha, original sushi and wok bar. Oh, Brie would like this Buddha place. And so that the food's upstairs in the blog. They've got Gloria Jeans. And Gloria Jeans is Australian. So maybe they thought, oh, we need to have Austrian for Hungarian Austrian. Oh, maybe it was the Hungarian Australian Empire, not the Austrian. Oh, I'm just full of bullshit. Anyway, here's Primark. Oh, Shumia. Sports Direct. Yes, it's very cool. Shopping centre. Well, vlog, we're going to try the Daddy Grillin barbecue. The classic smashed. Double the cheese, double the bliss. And I'm going to have the Big Daddy smashed. Because I'm a Big Daddy. And I'm going to try a grilled sausage. And I'm looking forward to it. Vlog, here's my big boss.
Now
Sausage,
this has got the bacon one in
kielbasa,
it.
and I've got sweet potato fries for a change.
That's the bacon one.
Oh, okay. And it's my bacon one. But they both have bacon.
No, we added the bacon to yours.
All right. So one more quick video of the train station. I've never seen a train station have such an impressive entrance. That's amazing. That's definitely 1984, that side. So they might have done some, I don't know. But the other side, it looks like, oh, maybe it's 18. Maybe that's 1884. No, not 1,000. Yeah, 1884. So that's a 100-year celebration. They might have made that new facade or something. Okay. So we're going to catch the train again, the metro. We're going to catch the Voz. We're going to catch the Trenet, the metro, the underground. We're going to mind the gap. It's such a And we've got all-day tickets. How cool is that? We can catch a tram, a train, or whatever we like. So we'll log out until we get somewhere else. We'll vlog. We decided we're going to catch the electric bus. We think it's electric bus to Dagali Utsai Lakotele. So we'll see if it's the right one or not. So vlog, we're catching the electric bus. Okay, but we have to wait till it comes up. Well, vlog, it's a complete drama. We don't even know where to get on this bloody bus. Unless there's another bus coming up in front of it. Yeah, but see, how can another bus overtake it? Because the wires would jam, wouldn't they? Like this one had to be in front somehow. I don't know how it works. Anyway. So vlog, we're on the electric bus finally. It's got some pickups. But we saw one that had the is it called a tandem? No. What's the name of the pentagraph? The pentagraph was lowered down, and it's got a diesel engine as a backup. And we got off our electric bus, and we're going to Heroes Square. Shisha Hero Papalit. Looks like they're doing some
Surfing.
maintenance. Oh look! Oh, wow! Why do I say wow all the time? Okay, gotta get this skateboarding guy. Windsurfing. It's interesting. I wonder how that's difficult. Oh, I see he's pumping that way. That's interesting, isn't it? So they're repairing the middle column, but it's very grand. Everything's bigger. This is the Dallas. This is the Dallas of Europe, isn't it? Everything's bigger.
Yeah.
It's a pity that's covered in scaffolding, but I guess they're going to make it clean it up or something, make it look better.
There, I think is the hot springs.
Oh, the hot springs is over there. Okay.
We'll go in the front.
Oh, you want to get a photo or something? So just studying the statues. This one's like a chariot or something. This one's protecting this woman or something. This one's got like a big saber-looking scythe kind of sword. The ones inside different. Actually, I might be able to get some free information if I get close. Oh, Italian. I've got to learn Italian. But never mind. Oh, you reckon that's the tomb of the...
Yeah, this one in there.
The tomb of the unknown soldier. Oh, okay. Oh, he's buried in there. Wow, sheep. Kedves Latogatok, that means dear visitor. The Gabriel Archangel Zobrat, the statue, is having the greatest restoration in history or something. Man, oh man. And so these but this isn't to do with the zodiac, is it? Or the months of the year, Sabi? No, what is this? These are just different people? Yeah, so horses with chariots are those statues. Oh, sorry, I didn't know I was making too much of movement. Oh, these look more modern. Oh, that's like, this guy's got a telescope. This guy's got something. Yeah. Oh, he looks like a knight. He's got armor on. Oh, and the ones on the other side, they got shields and things like that. I'll have to check that out in a minute. But they're all, I'm not sure if they're gods or if they're just famous people. But this first one doesn't look like a god. He's just wearing a suit with a cape. This guy's got, he must be royalty or something. This guy's holding a telescope. This guy's holding a book and a sword. This guy's holding a small fluty thing and a book. Maybe he's a musician. This guy's got a sword. This guy's got a bigger sword. Well, vlog, I told a mistruth. Didn't have the baths behind it, the hot springs, because all it's got is concrete. And the bridge goes over concrete, which is an interesting concept.
It says boating like entrance. But where's the like?
Maybe the other side? I don't know. It's very puzzling. It looks like they filled it in. They thought, oh, we got too many rivers anyway, let's fill this one in with a bit of organic concrete. Ah, there's water down there. Oh, there's a lot of water down there, Sabi. I can see it spraying. Or is it a waterfall? There it is. There it is. So this must be, I don't know what this is. Oh, actually there's like sluice gates. This actually could be covered in water. If they want to cover this in water, it could be, I think. And only up to, you know, only like 6 inches deep or something. See how it's got like a gutter thing? Oh, there you go. Okay. All right. So, idem upaku. Now, just a bit of trivia. Budapest invented the concept of a public park in Europe. So this is the first ever public park in Europe. So they had the first ever metro, underground railway, and they had the first ever park, and they also had the first ever Rubik's Cube. So they're full of inventions, these clever Hungarians. So we're going to look in different parts of the park now. Maybe there's a map or a guide idea.
Walk that way and then we'll go across.
Oh, look at these pretty flowers. Look at the lula, pretty lula. Lula ibuka. Start. Oh, this is where I get my imitation hoofs, my fits. They're not florins, they're florins? Maybe they're florins or something. So it's like AUD is the code, but dollars is the well, whatever that is. So huff is the code for the currency. The actual currency is florins. So it's named after somebody, maybe. You've also got other countries, you've got florins. So I don't know if it's related. But look, every building, even this one up here, is got grand ceilings. Oh, this is nice. So that was a good idea. They had a beautiful lake and turned it into a car park. Hey, Sab, you know that song? Pave paradise, put up a parking lot.
Yeah.
Remember that song? That's what they did. You pave paradise, put up a parking lot. Yeah, and they've got lilies. They're not lilies, no, they're just leaves that fell off. Yeah, I would say that went around the other way. But then they needed a car park, so they filled it in. Which is fair enough. Got to park your car somewhere. Or musée.
But it's
Ooh.
like a good old-fashioned
Yeah, it's got nice.
castle.
Yeah, look at that.
Like the gate is how you picture the gates before.
Yes. The Porta. Oh wow, look at this gate. Magyar something. Let's have a quick look. Oh, more chimney cakes. Chimney cakes. And here's the gate. Magyar Mezzo Cast Assassi Museum. Okay. Are we allowed to walk in here? I'm gonna just tape across the other side. Oh, I don't want to pay admission. Yeah, see, there's a fountain there. So this is like Dubai. You know how they made the things and they filled it up with water? Oh, what a dummy! That's the moat. That's the moat around the castle that they filled in with concrete. Obvious. How obvious is that? Okay.
It's worked off.
Okay.
You can see.
See.
A hősök tere következik.
It was brushed off.
Brushed off. What do you mean?
Yeah, on the sign. That's why I couldn't see.
Oh. So we're going through the underground. This is the sound of the underground. So there's Hosok Tere, and that's where we got off when we went on the electric bus.
A bajzok